We are continuing with Chapter 2, that is Physical Features of India, and today we will be focusing on the Northern Plain. So the first question that is arising here is how the Northern Plain has been formed. The answer: the Northern Plain has been formed by the interplay or interaction, we can say, of the three major river systems, namely the Indus, the Ganga and the Brahmaputra, along with their tributaries. What does tributaries means? It means a river or stream flowing into a larger river or lake. So this plain is formed of alluvial soil, which is very much fertile in nature, and it spreads over an area of 7 lakh square kilometer, the plain being about 2,400 kilometer long and 240 to 320 kilometer broad. It is a densely populated physiographic division, and this part of India is very much agriculturally productive in nature, as because it's having adequate water supply and favorable climate. The next question that is arising here is with what work the rivers coming from northern mountains are involved in. So they are involved in depositional work, which results into the formation of the river and islands, which means the islands are related to or situated on a river or river bank. The highlighted sections that are there in the book are very much important, so we have to pay attention here. The next definition is about distributaries. So the rivers in the lower course split into numerous channels due to the deposition of silt, and these channels are known as distributaries. So the next question that is arising here is that in how many sections the northern plain is broadly divided into. The answer is the northern plain is broadly divided into 3 sections. It is Punjab plains, the Ganga plain and the Brahmaputra plain. So the western part of the northern plain is referred to as the Punjab plains, formed by the Indus and its tributaries. The larger part of this plain lies in Pakistan. So here we'll also come to know about some tributaries of Indus, that are the Jhelum, the Chenab, the Ravi, the Beas and the Satluj, originate in the Himalaya. This section of the plain is dominated by the Doabs. The Ganga plain extends between Ghaggar and Tista rivers. It is spread over the states of North India, Haryana, Delhi, UP, Bihar, partly Jharkhand and West Bengal. To its east, particularly in Assam, lies the Brahmaputra plain. So the northern plains have 4 regions with different relief features. So what are the 4 regions? The 4 regions are Bhabar, Terai, Bhangar and Khadar. So which part is known as the Bhabar? So it lies at the foot of Shivalik, a narrow 8 to 16 kilometer wide belt of pebbles. Let's move on to Terai, a wet marshy area with wildlife and forest. Next is Bhangar, which is an older alluvial plain which rises above the level of the floodplains. And lastly, the Khadar. So Khadar are the younger alluvium of the floodplains. So they are renewed almost every year and so are fertile, thus very much ideal for intensive agriculture. So here it comes to an end. Thank you.